Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up navigation with your EBO Max. On last night's live stream, someone asked, how do you actually set up the routing, the mapping, and things like that? So we're going to do a screen recording over here so you guys can kind of follow along. First thing foremost, you're going to need to have the robot on its charging station once you get started. Of course, you know this needs to be powered up, so we're going to go ahead and do that with this little battery here. So I would recommend making sure that the robot has been charged up 100% before starting this. But once you have that accomplished, you've charged your robot and it is still on the charging station, then you're going to start the actual mapping. Okay, so you're going to go into navigation, and right now this is in desktop mode. So I can confirm I want it to come out of desktop mode. I can go into navigation now. And now I'll be able to see all of the different places that I have set up navigation for. And I'll be able to go into one of these or start navigation, which I obviously don't want to do because of the fact that the robot is sitting in place. But what we can do here is we can add a new navigation. And what it's going to do is it's going to roll off of the charging station, just like you see here. And then it's going to start to... So right now it's saying person's head detected. Okay, that's fine. But basically what it does is it rolls off and then it's going to start identifying exactly where it is. At that point, you're going to get controls here on the screen where you'll be able to control the robot and drive it to whatever room you want to place it in. So if I set this on the floor, it's going to kind of interrupt what we're trying to do. So in order to make this work, the robot actually needs to be coming right off of the charging station, wherever that charging station is going to be all the time. And then you can drive it into whatever room you want to drive it into. Once you're in that room, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to select the room's location, and then you're going to follow through the steps. Once that's done, at that point, the robot will return on its own back to its charging station. Okay. And that's an important part of the process. That's a very, very important part of the process, that you allow the robot to return to its own charging station. And that will complete the loop as far as how to set up your routing. So if this robot was at its original location and I set it up, which I've already done, I could send it into any of the different rooms throughout my house, and I can use voice controls. I can tell it to go look for a person in a specific location, because now it knows where that location is. Now, one of the questions that was asked, and I think people are relating this to maybe like robot vacuums, where they just kind of roam around the house and bump into things and figure out where all the rooms are. That's a type of mapping, but that's not exactly what this does. This is more precise mapping, where you're giving it directions as to how to get to the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, the den, or wherever it may be. And then you can then designate those locations in the robot's memory and in the app. And then you'll be able to reactivate those or utilize those with voice commands or using the app to do it as well. All right, so hopefully this video has been helpful. If you guys are still not clear on this, leave some comments down below, and maybe in my next live stream, I'll show you guys this in a better real world scenario so you guys can actually see how everything is set up. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys exactly where I normally keep the robot set up. And then I'll give you an example of me giving it a voice command to go into whatever room I want it to go into. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out. EBO, come find me in the living room.
I'm heading to the living room to find you now.